funnies for your video.
Some funnies, bro. Yeah.
Hey, Anthony, put femboy as one of your tags. We get a lot more views that way.
No,
I actually, I would.
Not kidding. Like, I think it might be.
Do it, do it.
Yes, I cry. Yes, I cry. Return of the man. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. Here I am. Return of the man.
Wait, are you streaming?
Yeah.
Can they hear us?
I am.
Can they hear us? Can they hear us?
That's right, I said that.
Can they hear us?
Yes.
You fuck, you have a link tree. What the fuck is wrong with you? Are you a white woman?
No, that's card.io.
Same shit!
Confused. No, it's not.
Hold on. I need to actually calm myself.
Please, can we gamble?
I'm not.
Come on.
I just gotta have the
Just
money.
spend money on your
money.
content.
No one is gonna give you fucking money.
Yeah, I know. I don't even have a donation link because I can't.
You're gonna put
PayPal's
Mr. Beast
stupid.
comes and stops fucking helping African people? Yeah, you're
Just
gonna have.
it's full of it today.
Do you think you can own a house, Anthony?
No.
I can live here. I'm gonna get a different one.
You inherit the house, sell it, buy a different one. Crazy
There's 4
concept.
children.
No. Wait, Reese, how are you getting accused of cheating already?
So you're actually streaming.
Yes.
By the way, is this gonna be a VOD?
Yeah. I'll do like a highlight.
Why? Why am I in it? So Anthony,
Yeah.
you can't say the N-word anymore.
No, it's funny because then I hear Lily say "gat" like 5 times in a row.
Get.
Anthony, why do you have breakcore on?
Cause I like it.
Yeah. No, why can't you listen to normal music?
Ice Spice.
Anthony, you're actually bum. If I was playing demo, I'd destroy you. And... I'm
Sure.
sorry. Don't use Streamlabs.
I'm definitely not using. Streamlabs is one of the worst software.
That's water bottle. Looks like it's 5 years old.
This is the boulder.
You're actually attached to a plastic. You're actually attached to plastic bottles.
When
When I put my mouth on it, you were like actually sad. I didn't even put my mouth on it. I just bit it.
Yeah.
Okay, but Lily fucking gets jiggy with it.
What?
Why is CS2 and CS:GO and CS2 beta tags for your stream? You're a liar.
Are they
you're a
actually?
fraud.
They are.
Yes.
Oh, that was because I was playing CS2 before.
You put the apparatus on the fucking panel.
Should hit your mic again. Punch your microphone, bro. Shut up.
No one wants to play NPM.
You're a fucking loser.
They could
You're a
just
fucking loser.
You say the N-word once a year, bro.
You're a fucking loser. Ugh. Oh, one day.
I don't
One
know
day
if
I'll
VPNs
rise
are
up.
working. I'll rise up.
One day. You're a fucking loser.
Liam, you realize you're being recorded, right?
My ancestors look kindly upon me.
Yo, this dude shit at TF2? Team TV, you're so right.
Thanks, Max. Thanks, Max. Appreciate it.
Make me a moderator.
Why
Max
not?
is like the only
Didn't you ask
yeah.
Max to be a mod?
Yeah, and he said yes.
Anthony!
What, Liam?
I should be on stream. I should be on stream. Put me on.
Oh, Max actually deleted the spam message.
No, I deleted it.
No, he didn't. It says
You make me
TTV,
mod?
dude.
Can you make me a mod?
No.
Oh, Max.
Let's
Hi.
go. Oh, so Max.
Person.
Max, surely hop on. Surely.
When you
I was gonna
Max.
moderate your stream.
What's Tailwind?
Yeah, exactly. I gotta moderate your stream. Like what?
Yeah, I don't know.
Max, can you see if you can change that on like mod settings? Follower only.
Mod, go mod.
Yeah, go mod.
Sorry. I'm actually so good.
Insane. Max, you should make this a full-time
I'm
job.
just the best.
Honestly.
Are you gonna pay me?
No.
I'm getting what's it called? That exposure.
Yeah, exposure,
Yeah,
exactly. Everyone go hit
The
up.
TF2 bot has made more than your.
You got 2 people
stream
watching your
revenue.
stream, that's great.
Don't tell me you're one of those people that just makes a new account every time you figure it out. Like I can't stand that.
Same time you pirate it, they lose more money. This is so unity. I don't get why my citizens are most happy about their reliable mail service compared to their wealth.
What's a mail
They-
service? Like
You
brothels,
know, like
sexual mail?
No,
No, like the post.
What?
What's a mail service?
the
The
mail.
post.
You know, like email, but physical.
Oh my fucking god! Oh my
my
god!
Were you thinking like escorting or something?
Yes, mail service. Constructor.
Fun.
It's a very big keyword.
Congrats.
Good question, Liam. Why don't you ask that to John JavaScript?
John JavaScript.
SM
Fighter.
used to be like really good, but now they're shit.
It
Like,
was
genuinely.
never
Who's
good.
Audi Mobile?
No,
Audi
stop
Mobile's the
talking
best
about your
one.
grocery store mobile plans.
It's the best one! I use it all the time!
Stop! No one cares.
It's Audi Mobile!
Oh my god.
So
What
good.
is
Fucking
a
grocery
profit
store.
for Audi Mobile?
Max, you're trying to get
Audi
with
Mobile
Tesco Mobile.
has never failed me.
There's no Tesco in Australia.
What? Yes,
Yes,
there
there
is. What do you
is.
mean?
Is there?
What do you mean?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
I'm saying is there. I don't fucking know.
There is.
You're,
I'm pretty sure.
Obviously, you're not a Tesco fan.
you're not a
No,
Tesco
obviously.
fan.
Do you even have a Tesco club card?
No.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Anthony, you're gonna have a lot.
Anything for views, isn't that right, Max?
Absolute.
You're actually bummed. You need to
I
get me on-
am.
Can you get me on stream? Can you get me on TF2, please? Please let me play.
Not our game.
Play it. I'm not saying not to.
What
I
do you
said
mean, let
join.
me play? So are you not?
Please let me play. Let me play.
Give me
Let
the
me use
controller. Give me
TeamViewer.
the controller.
Let me use TeamViewer.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
there isn't.
exactly.
How to change moderator.
Sorry, oh my god, he has to
Setting.
set it up during your stream.
No, Anthony, make sure you alt tab and you show all of your personal information. on
Yeah,
screen.
like you
No,
did that
see,
overtime.
see, I'm smart. I'm smart.
And they're competent as well, so they have opinions.
Oh no.
So you can't like.
Max, can you figure it out
Anthony,
for
are you
me and then I'll do it?
Yeah, alright.
Max, you figure it out of me.
Well, that's what I'm here for, you know. That's what my job.
Exactly. Okay, bro.
Why don't you
Thanks.
just react?
Can you stand up, Anthony?
Stand up.
Show us your fit.
It's.
He's
Are you
actually
wearing
not
underwear?
wearing
Are
anything.
you even wearing pants?
Yeah, that's exactly
Yeah.
it.
Ah, he's got a boner. Guys, he's got a boner.
What?
I'm sorry.
That's gonna get. That's definitely against Twitch TOS.
Everything is against Twitch TOS.
No, that's crazy. That's going in the vote. That's young boy. Why would you do that?
Hang on,
I'm
just
not
searching
NBA
for some of the
young boy.
tags.
I'm not NBA young boy.
Just gonna add that anyway.
What's this? I'm gonna add that anyway, Max.
No, look, if you got 10 tags, you gotta use them. Yeah, Anthony, start a family on stream.
What?
is this tag?
What's a tag?
Post it in Discord. Look at this.
Max.
I'm just making sure, Anthony, you're reaching the wider audience, you know?
You're really
You gotta
reaching
reach
your
the
audience,
wider
mate.
audience.
He's reaching
Nice.
the correct audience.
Yeah, the
You gotta
correct
reach-
audience.
Yeah, exactly. You're
That
actually
is-
so welcome.
Thanks,
You see, I
bro.
tried to add the hot tub stream tag.
Wait,
they wouldn't let me.
no.
Oh,
Put 18 plus.
Ooh, I can't do that.
no, like.
Oh, yap. Waffling. Why have you got so many commands?
Oh, no,
Keyboard,
it's
mouse,
4.
YouTube, no one cares. Now I'll do some black magic.
Max will make it work.
Wait, Reese, are you getting responses to those commands?
Nope.
Are you? Okay,
Commands-
stream
Okay, I'm
elements
removing
isn't
that.
working.
Foolish.
No, because it used to be
Put an
TV
AU
foolish.
also.
No, I just put foolish AU. Because
You got criticized
would
for
be-
having TV.
yeah, I got bullied into.
I didn't know you were
changing
Australian.
it. So, Reese, no, you cannot have mods. Stop asking. Oh my god.
Oh, hang on. That's against the rules.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Can
did
you
Reese
ban?
do?
Kept
I
asking
can
for mod.
actually, I'll time out.
No, don't. This is gonna.
Oops.
I'm gonna get kicked out of the server by Reese.
Alright, I'm gonna time out Anthony and do this Discord server now.
Nah.
I guess server muted actually.
Reese just muted me. Okay. Yeah, I was just
Bruh.
gonna update.
Okay, I untimed you out. Calm
Thank
down,
you.
calm down. They should remove the sniper class.
They
Yeah,
should remove
right.
every class, make it single player, and only have civilian. Oh, let's play Uno.
Oh, fuck
Wait,
no.
do you want?
Anthony,
Yeah.
lock your doors. No.
One's
You
for
can't use
Dylan,
bad
one for-
words when you're streaming, right? Like the
Shut
R
up.
word.
No, you can.
Okay, well,
Yeah, you
okay.
can. I've said it. No.
Certain ones.
Yeah,
Well,
Retard.
I would have to classify this stream as mature.
it is.
Isn't it mature? 10%
Well,
audiences make it
technically it
mature
is
rated
because of
game.
the game, not because of you.
What?
Anthony,
It was
if you take off
mature
your shirt,
audience.
then it makes more sense.
Oh,
Be Dantes. Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Do it.
Monopoly or Uno? Which one are we doing?
do I have Uno?
Down for a Monopoly stream.
Oh, I do have
Down
Uno.
for a Monopoly stream.
Okay, yeah.
Which one? Monopoly or Uno?
Chat. Shall I make a poll in chat? Max, can you make a chat? Yeah, Max, can you make a poll in chat real
Mods,
quick?
can you make
For
a
what?
poll?
For
Monopoly or
Monopoly
Uno?
or Uno.
Okay, alright.
I see why people stream now. Just get to boss Max around.
Okay. No.
Guess.
Gonna have a shower.
Sorry, I'm on edge because I'm working in a group.
You're edgy.
I gotta be a lone wolf.
What the fuck?
He hates being
No,
in a
I'm
group
I'm
so
on
much.
edge.
What? Stop! Not here! Oh my! That's actually
Ed.
disgusting.
Fucking Anthony, that's a new clip for you. A new clip.
Yeah, it's Liam going insane number 4
Yeah, Liam going
million.
insane is much funnier.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. The way back from home from school, but my mommy takes me to school by car every day. The
Lovely.
V2. I'm gonna make like a poop shoot
What?
Max, how's that poll going?
next time.
You
Next
don't.
time I'm
You're,
gonna
are
do
you an affiliate or a Twitch partner?
No.
Yeah, then you can't use them.
That's so.
What?
Are you serious?
Yeah,
I
I'm not-
hate.
The cold type of ice, by the way, not crystalline type.
No, the crystal version's better.
Mom, you know this is my streaming time.
Liam.
Mom, yeah.
Liam.
Mom, you know this is my streaming time. We talked about this. Why don't you just go to your mom and say, Mom, I'm streaming.
And then punch her.
Yes. Kill people if you like dick. You're failing in that as well. You're actually failing in that. You're actually failing in that. You're actually failing. Says the browser button TypeScript.
Facts.
Waffling.
Is this what like working in a job is like?
Yeah, Liam.
Liam, you're gonna have a really hard time adjusting to the real world. I'm telling you
I'm gonna
right
fucking
now.
make my own company. I'm fucking
No,
sick of
no,
it.
no,
Liam,
no,
can
no.
I work for you?
You're gonna.
Oh, well, we're using TypeScript.
You're gonna
for
hate
time
life,
code?
and you
Yes,
realize in the
yes, we
real world
are.
there's nothing like what you're doing now.
Yeah.
This is the real. What do you mean? This is exactly
This
like
is-
the real world. Cow emoji.
What?
Anthony, why do you have
Yeah.
your view model stone up?
Because I don't.
No one
like
can see your
having
dick
them.
anyway.
That's
Like,
actually
that doesn't mean
crazy.
anything. Is that a funny joke? I was
No.
doing a joke where it's like, I don't even know what it meant. You know how fat people can't see their own dick. Can we get to
Let's
8?
shoot for
Can we
8.
get to 8?
Can we get to
Eight?
MVM? Can we get to MVM?
No one
No.
wants to play MVM.
Yeah.
I want to
yeah.
play MVM.
No, you don't.
2. What? Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Go!
Liam.
Like Sniper's also
Wow.
point and click adventure game.
Except Heavy's fun.
It's called using a
Snipers.
fucking weapon that shoots bullets. What's your problem?
Bullets.
You know, I went through an entire toilet paper roll today. Just your stream is like a car crash in slow motion. It's like I was
Someone's angry.
Anthony, you're gonna die.
Yeah, I know.
You know, like I'm commentating on the past, and then I see it in the future.
Sat there
because
with
the
your
stream is-
crystal ball, you're just like, oh,
The stream-
he's
the
gonna
stream
be
is
backstabbed by a
behind.
spy. I see
the
it.
stream is behind.
He's reading tarot cards and like,
Oh, now I can see your hands there moving around some fake ball because the stream delay.
I can tell
Make
when
it
you're
clap,
clapping
man.
because it's always like,
Yeah, there's some like audio to it.
yeah.
It's
Thanks.
Turbulent.
What's your favorite flavor of bread to teleport?
Pretzel.
Pretzel? Yeah,
Is
that's
this?
kind of good.
They don't have sourdough bread. Where's the sourdough bread? Because that's my
No one
favorite.
likes
type of bread.
sourdough.
It's my
Or
favorite.
fruit bread.
No,
Sourdough and
I
fruit
love
Have you ever
pure
gotten like a
wine.
sourdough loaf and just like scooped the insides out
Yes,
and just eaten the inside?
Real.
Yes.
No.
No.
No, do you-
what?
Well, that's
wrong
on
with
you
you?
then.
I cut it
That's
into
on you then.
loaves.
No, but like, oh, have you made you can make like soup and then put it inside like the salad.
What about the
Nah.
disabled people riding motorbikes?
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Oh, what are they called? Bread bowls?
Ed
Oh,
Yeah.
those.
I love
No, what's the other name? Cobbler. Isn't it?
cobbler. No,
Yeah, that's
a
Australian, isn't it?
No, but cobbler's like a type of pie, isn't it? Like you can have.
Or is it?
a-
No, isn't it like? Isn't it like a
Peach
cheese
cobbler.
soup? Like it's like soup if it was just cheese,
What?
right?
What?
That's what.
Hold on, is there bad people
Yes,
in
there
your City
is.
Skylines?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. And there should
And
be
there's
gang
no-
wars and crime.
No med
But you
pack,
can just
it's
eradicate
so bad.
homelessness, right?
Yes. That's not
No,
really
you can
like.
eradicate homelessness. Wait, I don't want to eradicate them. I want to eradicate homelessness, not homeless people.
Oh no, Len. I'm pretty sure you just want to eradicate homeless people.
No, I don't, Anthony.
Go for real.
What you're doing right now is eradicating your KD, so you need to get that back up.
I'm gonna stick my knife in you. I'll wet you up.
Excuse me.
Why listen to Sevi?
Sebi, why not? What do you mean? No, I like him. I
No, you're not allowed to. It's my thing.
It's my
No.
thing. No.
Yeah.
Leo as
No.
well. No.
Who is that? Who you talking about?
Shut up. I'm
Set an automatic password. And just DM.
tools, website.
Max, I swear to God, if that's your plastic again.
Oh no!
Good question, Liam. What is the apparatus?
Empty stream, am I right?
I know, right?
Kun kulmilla kohdataan, sen aina mä kuulla saan. Kun sanot sä hei, nyt olis okei, Hesburger. Hesburger ja let's go in. Hesburger on safka, sen maistuvin.